नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका अपना चैनल आकाश ईटीपी में हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। और आज हमारी स्टोरी का टाइटल है दी यूनाइटेड काउस। यूनाइटेड यानी संयुक्त, काउस यानी गायें, संयुक्त गायें। चलो स्टोरी को स्टार्ट करते हैं। मैं इस स्टोरी को केवल रीडिंग ही कराऊंगा, आप भी करते जाना मेरे पीछे पीछे। It is known that villagers are mostly near forests. There was one such village. A farmer reared some cows. He had to let them graze in the forest meadows. There was always the danger of these cows to be hunted by wild animals of the forest, especially the lions and tigers. The farmer would make his cows graze in a group. He would not let them scatter around, but the cows were greedy. They wanted all the grass for themselves that they always fought among and seized away on one another. A lion was following these cows. He very well observed the disparity among them and thought, I have nice food in front of me. If I attack them, I can kill one cow at a time and eat to my stomach full. He started to execute his plan. Within days, the lion attacked few lion cows and killed them. The cows got worried and afraid to go to the forest for grazing. They are gathered to discuss the threat they were facing. What are we going to do? The lion is big and strong. अगर ये स्टोरी थोड़ी भी पसंद आए तो लाइक जरूर करें। छोटी सी बनने वाली है ऐसे तो। ये देखो, ये गाय, ये शेर, इन दोनों के बीच में लड़ाई होने वाली है। देखो, ये हमला कर दिया शेर ने गाय के ऊपर। He can easily kill us. Even our master is afraid of the lion. When he cannot chase away the lion, how can we? An old and wise cow cleared this thought and started in a feeble voice. Look, friends, we might not be big and strong as the lion. We cannot fight and win against the lion all by ourselves, individuals, but we are large in number. If we can overcome our greed and unite together, we can definitely win our war against the cruel lion. We can surely chase away the lion from our grazing meadow. All the cows shook their head for some time and moved in unison. Surely you are right. We pledge our unity from now on. We are going to live away or difference of opinion and greed. We are going to graze as a group. We are going to stand united then the lion attacks as the next time. The next time the lion came to the meadow, expecting the cows to graze as individuals, he started to pounce on one cow, but to his surprise, all the cows grazing nearby came pouncing towards him and started attacking him from all directions wherever so there were pairs of horns. The lion had to run away from the palace to save his life. He was never to be found in the area. The cows had learned their lesson on. चलो इसका मोरल और देख लेते हैं। मोरल है इसका, डिवाइडेड वी लूज, यूनाइटेड वी विन। डिवाइडेड यानी विभाजित करना या अलग होना, लूज यानी हानि हानि होती है, यूनाइटेड यानी संयुक्त, विन यानी जीतना। विभाजित में हम हारे और संयुक्त में हम जीते। इसका मतलब इसका पूरा लेसन का मतलब यह है कि हमें एक साथ संयुक्त रहना चाहिए और कभी भी हमें विभाजित नहीं होना चाहिए। कैसी लगी स्टोरी? अगर थोड़ी भी पसंद आई तो लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। आपका दिन शुभ हो। थैंक यू।